Hey guys, Chef Jason Morse, race hardware grilling expert, hanging out here in Colorado. We brought in an expert, a total expert for today's video.
I like the way that you introduced me. Thank you, Chef. My name is
welcome.
Chris Sussman, otherwise known as the BBQ Buddha, and I'm happy to be cooking with you today.
We're stoked to have you here. We've been cooking up a storm. We have some awesome things we've done today on the Big Green Egg. We're finishing strong.
We are going to smash these smash burgers, and one of the best things about the Big Green Egg is all of the accessories that you can get for that environment. And today we're going to be using several. We've got the fire bowl that has 2-zone cooking.
Gorgeous.
We've got the expander, so we can have the plancha set in place.
Yep.
And then, of course, I just stole my own thunder, the plancha, which is going to get us that cast iron sear on these smash burgers to give you that perfect smash burger taste.
And we're getting ready to get you ready for Barbecue Fest.
I hope to see your face in the place.
Ready to smash it? Bam! Let's do it.
We're starting off with these yellow sweet onions that we're going to cut into rings and griddle on the plancha. Pick your favorite bun to put your burger on. And then we're going to give it off to Chef Jason, the meat master, to talk about our ground beef mixture.
So we went with an 80-20 ground beef today. And what I like about that is it gives us 20% fat, which helps us have a really moist, juicy, delicious burger. Then what we did is we also went with ground chuck because ground chuck eats like a steak. And I love my burgers to have that like awesome, big, steaky finish. Then we're going to finish it with this delicious ancho chili coffee rub. Totally set.
All right, so we've got these onions that I've cut into rings. I've poured a little bit of olive oil, about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to season with salt and pepper. I just want to season these lightly with a little bit of olive oil so they cook easily on the plancha. How about you, Chef? What do you got going on?
I'm on the burger time here, so I'm going to go ahead and make these. I've divided about a pound of beef into 5 equal-sized meatballs. That way, this is going to give us that beautiful start when we start smashing those burgers down. All right, Buddha, your trick of the day for the smash burger, you start with the onion first and then smash the meat into it?
I love to get the onions caramelized just a little bit so you get that texture and you get that flavor, you blossom it out, and then you get the burger all mixed in with that. So before we get started though, you need to have the Big Green Egg at 500 degrees. It's dialed right in. That plancha is ready to go. Let's cook some smash burgers.
All right, give this guy a burp. We are hot to go. All right, show me how this is
So
done.
let me show you a quick example. I'm just going to put a couple of burgers worth of onions down on the plancha.
Yep.
Let them come in full contact with the surface.
Saute them for a couple minutes?
Saute them for about a minute or 2 minutes.
Just to soften them up
Just a little, just to soften them up a little bit. And just like you do with aromatics when you're doing a sauce or something, you want them to open up a little bit.
Beautiful. So now I just throw the burgers on.
Now you just throw the burgers on.
Oh, man, I can't wait.
Let me double up the onions a little bit, and then I'm gonna take this, get the onions in one place. I'm gonna take a burger ball. And
Smash it down. These look pretty good, man. I think it's time to give them a flip.
let's flip these smash burgers, brother.
Oh,
Ooh.
gorgeous.
See? Want to smash it down once you get on the side.
Yep.
Those onions are nice and crispy. We'll get this one. Look at those onions. Ooh.
They are smashed. They are ready to go. Time for a little coffee rub.
Yeah, I love this stuff. Big Green Egg knows what they're doing with this coffee rub. It's delicious. So I'm putting some cheese on these smash burgers.
Yep.
Because smash burgers are just a whole lot better with cheddar cheese.
And I know the question everybody's thinking, right? Because we're always told, don't push your burger because it makes it dry. Why is it okay now?
That's a great question. When you start out with the ball of meat,
Yep.
it's a ball. And so when you smash it down, it makes contact with the plancha, which gives you all that flavor and stuff. But because you haven't already started cooking this meat, there's not juice in there to squeeze out. So you're not squeezing any juice out. You're just giving a larger surface area for the meat to cook.
So, and then when we push it, we also get a bigger sear.
You get a great sear.
Awesome.
All right, so these look done, my man.
All right,
We're
my friend,
pull
get
it. Pull these beautiful burgers and these crispy onions off the plancha.
We get to eat these, right?
You know, this is when I'm going to do a bunch of mistakes, so I have to do this quality control test
Over and over
and
again.
over.
Sweet. All right, they're done. Smash burgers. But the question I always get is, how do I know when they're done?
That's a great question. The thing about smash burgers that are different than regular burgers is usually working with a smaller amount of meat, 1/3 of a pound versus a 1/2 pound.
Sure.
So you're really treating this more like a traditional old school hamburger than you are a steak. So you're not really looking for doneness in the sense of medium, medium rare.
Right.
You're looking for visual cues. You want to see that hard crust on each side, and you want to see the juices when they're coming out of the burger run clear. When you see those two signs, you know you're done. It's usually about 4 minutes aside, but don't go by time, go by the visual cues. You'll always be set that way.
You know what we do? We do what we do.
Is it time?
It's time for quality control.
Quality control.
Dig in, and this, man, I'll tell you what, I'm ready. Oh, that crust, so perfect.
It's insane.
Thanks for hanging out with us today. We definitely showed them how to smash a fantastic burger.
That burger is amazing, and what would even be better is the elote corn salad that would pair nicely with that.
And you can grab this recipe and more at acehardware.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And we hope to see all of you at Barbecue Fest.
Thanks so much for cooking with us.